Records such as expense reports can be reviewed in Workflow on D365. They can then be rejected or accepted with comments if required. Let's review this expense. First, select the record. To reject a record from the Action pane, click Workflow and select Reject. In the Reject slider, you can record a reason for the rejection. Then click Reject. The record is returned to the original submitter as rejected, and the recorded comment can be viewed by the submitter to understand the reason for its rejection. Alternatively, to approve a record, first select the record. From the Action pane, click Workflow and select Approve. In the Approve slider, you can also record a reason for the approval, and then click Approve. The record is returned to the submitter as approved, and the recorded comment can also be viewed. In the case of an expense report like this, it will then be processed for payment for the employee.